this is a very sacred spot for us. So restoration of the hot springs, a restoration of the ground and getting the willows and the cottonwood trees and the different types of vegetation that you need is really important to us, because we want to treat Mother Earth the way she wants to be treated. We don't want these invasive species. We want water to be clean and clear. We want animals to come back. We want fish to come back.
The landscape has changed and the ecology has changed as well. Figuring out how to manage that land in the context of canals that run just behind us here, the context of the roads, context of power lines, and the complex water laws that govern the Bear River here. So what we're trying to think about is how do we work in this modern context, yet try to regenerate the historical ecology that was here.
We're thinking about how do we get the site from 2020 back to 1863, but that's not our only concern, right? We're worried about what's going to happen to the site in 2070 and what's going to happen in the future with all these impacts of climate change. And so we make these decisions and say, okay, well, we really want this one species to come back. Well, we might need to take some mitigating measures.
The stream that we're interested in is actually listed as impaired, and it's listed as impaired for a couple things. One of them is suspended sediment. When we think about a watershed, you know, we can't just look at one part of it. It's a very connected system, and so being able to implement treatments in the upper watershed is really important for water quality at the site.
It's just important to us when you come into this area in general that you get the feeling that you're in a special place and not just going to a visitor center and seeing what you can see. What's going to be here and how the nature speaks to us will be really important to people that come here. And I want that experience for everybody.